Right now, we're taking an in-depth look at the Target 12 Investigators exclusive. Despite a critical need, the number of psychologists has gone down in Rhode Island since the pandemic.
And Target 12 investigator Kate Wilkinson joins us live in studio to talk about the behavioral health industry in the state. Kate, you spoke with a psychologist who says insurance reimbursement rates are not the same for psychologists as they are for medical doctors.
That's right, and there are both state and federal laws that are supposed to keep behavioral health coverage at the same level as medical when it comes to insurance. And that includes everything from copays, prior authorization, as well as reimbursements. The federal law was established in 2008, so it's been around for some time, but some psychologists are choosing to leave the industry and others are choosing not to accept insurance.
And Kate, you reached out to local insurance providers for your report. What did they tell you about their rates?
So we thought it was important to understand what those reimbursement rates were since they are not publicly available, but United Healthcare did not get back to us. Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Rhode Island did not provide any information about rates, but said in a statement here, we are fully committed to complying with all state and federal and state mental health parity laws and reimbursements.
And this has to have an impact on people who are trying to seek therapy.
Yes, and it is. According to a 2021 report from the Mental Health Association of Rhode Island, the state ranks in the top 10 for access, but there are real challenges here. For example, 49% of Rhode Island adults with mental illness did not receive treatment in 2020. And in 2019, a report found that Rhode Islanders were about 5 times more likely to have to seek out care outside of their network for behavioral health services, that's inpatient services, compared to the same kinds of medical services.
It's a really important topic to be digging into. Kate's full investigation, including why one local advocate says more can be done to enforce current regulations, is on WPRI.com right now if you want to take a look. Target 12 investigator Kate Wilkinson, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.